Wait. Don't click the skip ad button. Hear me out. Listen to me. What's up, YouTube family? I'm about to give y'all the runaround. I'm kind of talking low. Shh. I'm about to give y'all the runaround on how I made $10,000 from only a $1,400 deposit. Watch this. Look, let me show you. There you go. Let me show y'all. Listen, right now, first of all, go to tradewithbruce.com. Okay? Go to tradewithbruce.com. If you're watching this video, if you've seen my couple past videos, subscribe to this YouTube video right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel right now. Just click the subscribe button. Subscribe real quick. Go ahead and like this video. Listen, I'm doing a giveaway right now. I'm pick somebody in the comments. You got like 48 hours. First 48 hours, you got to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then comment the word pips. P-I-P-S. Pips. If you're a trader, you know what pips are. Comment pips right now under this video. In the comment section, I'll message you or reply to your comment, say you're the winner. You win, what'd I say? I'll do $50. Probably 2 winners. Okay? Listen to me. If I pick 2 winners, I'm going to give away $50 each cash, PayPal, Bitcoin, Cash App, Skrill, however you want it, you can get it, okay? $50, all you got to do is subscribe to my channel right now, boop. Like this video right now, boop. And comment the word PIPS, P-I-P-S, P-I-P-S, let's get it. All right, let me show y'all how I turned a $1,400 deposit and made $10,000 profit. Look, so my balance is now 11,677. Let me show y'all each trade I took. Okay, now these trades I've taken are the same strategies I show on my diamond package. If you go to my website at the bottom, you'll see the diamond package. Those are my diamond students. That's my diamond students. To become a diamond student, the one-time fee only. I don't charge much. It's a one-time fee. I just want you to pay for the time. That's it. Okay. So I'm gonna show you exact strategies, the same trades that I use from the strategies in my diamond package. Okay. So go to tradewithbruce.com, check it out. Go in the free group, all that stuff. Okay. So I'm finna drag a couple entries so y'all can see. This account was made on January 13th. See it? 113. It's now 125. 125 as I talk. Okay, current price today is January 25th. The day is not over yet. It's only 1:30. The day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern. This is my sessions indicator. If you need this, go to market, go to indicators, then search Bruce session. Then boom, click here. It's free. Go ahead, pull that up. My name is Bruce Webb. See it right here. Let's get it. All right, I'm finna break it down to you. Let's go back to account history. See my no trades open, $11,000 balance, $677. Let's talk about it. So today's trade, literally today, January 25th. Let's drag it up. Boom. Let's look at this entry. So if you want to know how I take my trades, get the diamond package. Right after this video, I'm doing a webinar for my diamond students. And every day I show them and break down, but they know the strategy. So I break down the trades every day. So I'm going to start showing my trades every day, breaking down the trades to my diamond students. So go to tradewithbruce.com, diamond package at the bottom, one-time fee. you're gonna make that every day after you join. So it's a great investment. Let's get it. So this is the trade. Dropped 6 standards, 6.75, right? So pretty much, if you see from the start, I started with a standard, then a 1.40, then a 1.9, then that was a mistake. AUD USD. I closed that in like 1 second. Then 250, then 3 standards, then 430, then 525, then 675. So it is possible, y'all. You can build your account up gradually with smart trades. Smart trades. It's possible to, whatever you call, flip your account, build your account, whatever, like consistently. And this is going 1 trade a day. Look at the dates. 25th, 23rd, 21st, 20th, right? 19th, 1 trade a day, 18th, 15th, 13th, 1 trade a day, y'all. So look, this is 1 trade I took today. Zoom out a little bit. It's the 1 minute chart. Have an uptrend here. Starts breaking down. When it breaks down, I caught the pullback. Took it down here for an exact reason. I'm going to show my diamond students the reason I got out. But I'm going to just show y'all the trade, okay? I just want to show y'all that it's possible, man. You can turn, look, deposit $14.89 to over $10,000 profit. Be left with $11,000. You can change your life, man. Look, this is a real account. $111 withdrawal. You can see the balance. I withdrew every day just so you can see. So withdraw, 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 withdraw. So now that I'm at the 10K account, I'm gonna start withdrawing every day. So if I make 2K tomorrow, boom, I'm gonna take it out. 2K tomorrow, boom, 10K, 2K, take it out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm getting to the point where I can make a substantial amount of money with a nice account size and boom, withdraw and pay myself and enjoy life every day. Not, you know what I'm saying, having to work, blah, 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 blah. All right, so let's look at another trade. If you're watching this still right now, comment, comment, I'm here. Listen, if you're still watching right now, comment, I'm here. 2 words, I am space here, HERE. I'm here. Comment, I'm here to let me know you're still watching, yo. Because, y'all, I'm finna start just showing y'all this raw shit, man. Just showing y'all every day my stuff, man. Let's get it straight. There's just no fluff, no cut, none of that. We're just gonna straight show y'all, okay? So let's check another trade. Let's drag this 5 standard trade. So this was a sell. Boom, I'll show you why I exited if you're my diamond member. Let me see. Am I looking at it? A 20-second. Yeah, so same trade, damn near. Breakout, pull back. You got to know why I took this trade, though. And you got to know why I really got out. But this is it. See the trade? 5 standards. Made $2,000 from here to here. And look, guys, look. Motivation. Watch this. Look how many pips it is. It's only 43 pips. Everybody done caught 42 pips before. Let's look at this trade. This trade was 2,200. Let's see. How many pips? 32 pips. Look, same amount of money. Same amount of money, less pips with a bigger lot. Consistency, 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 consistency. When you can consistently grow your account, listen, when you consistently execute a strategy, wait for the right moment every day that I'm going to show you in the diamond group, then you can build your fucking account. Plain and simple, man. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. And just grow that guy with low 30 to 40 to 50 pip trades. Like, I don't take no more than like 50 pips. I don't really need that much. All right, let's go. Let's take another buy. Boom. Next day, look at this trade. Look at this trade. I'm just showing you on the 1 minute chart so you can really see. Look at this trade. See? Look at this trade, man. Look, from here to here. But there's a reason I got in and there's a reason I got out. And I'm going to show my diamond members, okay? I just want y'all to see this execution right here, okay? Y'all can see the execution. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek, but it won't be much. Boom, I done showed you too much. I done showed you too much. I done showed you too much. But listen, the diamond members know exactly why I entered this trade. So I'm gonna show my diamond members that don't know. We're gonna show them and get them to the next spot. So listen, it's possible. I just want to show y'all. Listen, all right, let's count the pips. How many pips? We call them pepperonis. Listen, y'all, 30 pips. That's all you need every day. 30 pips a day. That's all you need. 30 pips making 2,000. You're good, y'all. This is it. Last trade. I'm looking at one more trade. This was a beauty. This was a beaut. Look at it's a beaut. I have a reason why we entered it, and I have a reason why we exited. You feel me? Let me show you. Come on, man. I have a reason why we entered it, and I have a reason why we exited. Look at me. Look at me. I have a reason why we entered it, and I have a reason why we exited. Look at this. Come on, man. Diamond students, we're going to get into it live raw. If you're a diamond student right now, comment, I'm a diamond member. Comment, I'm a diamond member, or a diamond emoji. So comment diamond emoji or I'm a diamond member. If you're still watching, like this video because I know you didn't. I know you didn't. Go ahead and like it real quick. Subscribe to this channel real quick because I'm going to be giving y'all raw shit every day from now on. Let's get it. I'm dropping more videos. I'm showing y'all everything. I'm going to have y'all be the best traders on here. Okay? I'm going to show y'all how it's possible. Go from 1,400 to 10K profit. Now I'm about to take out 2K every day. Watch this. I'm going to show you. Watch this. I'm going to show you. Okay? So subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. Let me stop the share. Boom. Stop the share. It's me. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. My name is Bruce Webb. Yes, these are diamonds on my teeth. Let's get it. I'm out. Screw.